Dillon Falls and some Stouts.
Don't matter if the cold wind blows, I'm gonna wind up working in the thick of it. Sunshine through the rain and snow. There's an oily brine bilge water baptism waiting below. That's just the wave slamming against the topside sound. Don't let the ever-rolling motion go and get you down. Don't let it shake your steady thread-cutting hand. Keep stealing ribbons from the steel and giving hell to every halyard you can. In spite of all, the wherewithal to fight it all, I'll embrace it all. When every day is like a war between the will to go on and a wish that the world would spiral into the sun. Turn your head toward the storm that's surely coming along. If the sun was always shining and our Lord always light, we'd be shaking like a leaf with every God-given night. We'd break under the weight of any pressure that was ever applied. We'd be ready when the straw boss calls. He's got an ever-loving bone to pick with one and all. Don't let his condescension get you down. Just have the strength to know you're wrong, and when you're right, the strength to stand your ground. In spite of all, the wherewithal to fight it all, I'll embrace it all. And every day is like a war. You find no strength from your usual source. There's no peace, there's no rest. Your fortitude's feeling put to the test. And every day is like a war between the will to go on and a wish that the world would spiral into the sun. Turn your head toward the storm that's surely coming along. If the sun was always shining and our Lord always light, we'd be shaking like a leaf with every God-given night. We'd break under the weight of any pain that ever came in this life.
Out in the sun. Oh God. No review at all. Well, here we are walking through a lava field. Just, you know, gotta do some walking to get some footy for the boys. This is actually the second time we've walked through this lava field. You know, we had to hike out here to set up the camera, but now we gotta hike out here to grab the camera back. But it's all worth it. Gotta get the footy for the boys.
Oh, yeah.